lật cần lại mình hí UNI tí đi
thầy thi là mình tụi bên em lâu rồi đúng không?
Bậc ba khá anh thấy thì các bạn quang lúc đó hay ta giải chẳng biết việc tụi đi bậc ba khá chẳng tệ đôi nha.
No, it's a destination, not a silhouette. Paperback, teenager love, we got that original thing, the cotton canvas, Chuck Taylor. Never gonna wear out, you and I forever. Ain't a fine bone or a porcelain china, no, it's a 24-karat diamond. Never ever gonna break it. You and I forever, you and I forever.
Young and susceptible to peer pressure. I made her money was for sheer pleasure. Yeah, and I had my guard up, instinct off of fears. Bad luck had my heart in a secure area. But 3 years later, stood here with her in her arms, embracing her. A charming grace stager just permeating my heart. And we've been switching gears through ups and downs. We always make it work, conciliate with each other's space, but we never stay apart. Hey, what's up, y'all?
This is our love story.
A desperado with a chick who would ride or die for. I know my baby loves me.
Absolutely adores me.
Finish each other's sentences like it ain't
Annoying and corny.
the anniversary of two dogs from Cupid. The me and the two little sink in the heartbeats moment. The truth and strings attached to never be losing. We're never gonna lose it. True shit. Confess my love and proved it to this crazy, sexy, cool chick. And they lifted us both. Everything's triple chord. It's been a slow dance romance to the same good.
This ain't just a face, no, it's a destination.
No.
Not a silhouette, paperback, teenager love. We got that original thing, the cotton canvas, Chuck Taylor. Never gonna wear out, you and I forever. Ain't a fine bone or a porcelain china, no, it's a 24-karat diamond. Never ever gonna break it. You and I forever, you and I forever.
Sometimes I sit and think about it.
Think about it.
Girl, I need your love and I can't live without it.
Without it.
Yeah, I chase the fame and the fortune, I dream about it, fiend about it. Then you smile and say the things that keep me grounded. Yeah, keep me grounded, but support me climbing the steepest mountains. If there ever was a key to my heart, I think you found it. Your smile is my strength, my joy, the reason I'm vowing that I would stand in the rain. Take all the blame, bear all the pain, and never see you frowning. I don't know just what you see in me.
Your scenery.
When the chips sit down, you stick with me.
Never leaving me.
You believe in me, even though you know it's been a struggle lately. But I'ma make you wait till we be the power couple that the other couples wanna double date with. From the gutter to the upper echelon, I'm moving you with me doing 250 on the dash of the car with two Z's. Yeah, I guess I do dream of the lucid, and they do come true. I got you to prove it. We grow like 2 trees. The higher we go, the deeper the root, the sweeter the fruit. It's still a slow dance romance to the same good.
This ain't just a face, no, it's a destination.
Not a silhouette, paperback, teenage love.
We got that original thing, the cotton canvas, Chuck Taylor. Never gonna wear out, you and I forever. Ain't a fine bone or a porcelain china, no, it's a 24-karat diamond. Never ever gonna break it. You and I forever, you and I forever.
Leh